what Earth loses its magnetic field. Number 1. Increased exposure to UV rays. With no magnetic field, Earth would have a very difficult time dealing with solar winds and radiation such as UV. It reflects about 20% of the cosmic radiation which would otherwise reach Earth's surface, leading destruction. Number 2. Navigation and communication loss. Many animals like bees, birds and sea turtles uses Earth's magnetic field to orient themselves and migrate. We could neither use compass and no more GPS to find the nearest KFC. Moreover, solar winds can then interact with radio signals and satellites, which indeed is a great loss. Number 3. No more auroras. Interaction of solar winds causes the northern and the southern lights with no magnetic field. This spectacular natural phenomena would just leave the globe. So now you have the answers for